welcome to my channel, and today's video I have a homemade remedy that is going to take care of yeast infection in women. Now this is one of the quickest, the cheapest and the most simplest way to cure yeast infection at home. The fact that millions of women suffer with yeast infection yearly, this treatment is a quick and easy solution to the problem. So if you're interested in this video, then continue watching. For this remedy, we're using garlic. Now, inserting garlic in your pee-pee will often burn. However, if you already have an yeast infection, the skin is already burned, it is already red. Therefore, when you insert the garlic in, it's gonna cure the yeast infection, and what will happen is that the skin will eventually repair itself. We're going to use some needle and thread to assist in inserting the garlic. But first we will need to sterilize both the needle and the thread. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to string the needle. Now that we have it stringed, this is nice and thick. And you want to make it long enough that you could have a nice length hanging outside. Once we have this, we're going to make a big knot right here. Another one. And that's big enough. There you have the knot. So here is our needle with the knot. So next we're going to move on to sterilizing this. Now that our water is boiling, here is our needle and thread, and you want to make sure to put both the needle and thread in, and we're going to drop it in, and we're going to leave it there to boil for at least 20 minutes. Now while this is boiling, let's move over to preparing the garlic. You want to use just a clove, and a medium clove is okay. So we're going to take off the peel. Now a cut garlic is best, but because we do not want to chop the garlic to insert it, what we're going to do, we're actually going to wait for the needle. We're going to remove the needle and the thread, and we're going to set it aside to cool. Now here's the thread, and this is cool. So what we're going to do next, we're going to take our garlic, we're going to use our needle, and we're going to pierce the garlic. And we want to pierce the garlic all over. Keep piercing. Now that our garlic is completely pierced, and let me bring it up close for you to see, what we're going to do, we are going to insert the needle right through the garlic like this, and we're going to string it. So after stringing the garlic, it is still not ready. What we're going to do, we're going to set it aside for about an hour for it to be more potent. Once it is potent, it's going to be much stronger. So leave it at room temperature for about an hour, and this is going to be even more effective than inserting it right away. And the reason why it's going to be more potent is because we insert all these holes in the garlic. Therefore it is acting as if it is a crushed open garlic. Now after an hour, the garlic is ready, and you need to remove the needle. So we're going to remove the needle, put it aside, and this is ready. You can also choose to make another knot at the end so that you have something to hold on to. So this is ready, and what you're going to do, you're going to take your hands and you're gonna find the opening and you're gonna push the garlic up in with your finger, and you're gonna push it all the way up about 2 inches up. And once that's up, your string is gonna hang like this. You're gonna sleep with it overnight, and in the morning you are gonna tug on the string to release the garlic. Then you want to repeat this 2 to 3 more nights, and your yeast infection or whatever other vaginal bacteria that you have will all be gone. Make sure to wear a panty shield when you're doing this treatment to prevent any leaking, okay? And there you have it, using your garlic to take care of yeast infection and minor bacterial. So thank you all for watching. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also remember to share the video, and if this was your first time watching, do not leave without subscribing. Also hit the notification bell at the top so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.